innocent eyes. That smile on your face makes it easy to trust it.
Hello guys, good morning or good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Hilda and I just woke up, and as usual I usually do not want to stand up, but I'm preparing for work. I hope you enjoy this video. Just sit back and enjoy. If you're new here, please subscribe. So I'm basically just trying to rush through my face routine and wear my scrubs to work. I find that scrubs are really comfortable, so I've just been wearing them. Still trying to multitask, that's put layer on my face products and do other stuff. And this Vaseline really helps to keep my lips moisturized. I really wonder how people wake up with so much energy and are really happy to take on the day. For me, I basically just want to sleep. No, don't bring me out of my bed. I wish I just had the opportunity, or I could just sleep the whole day. So this is me trying to rub my sunscreen. This is the last step of my skincare routine in the morning. Watch how this goes chaotic. I don't know if I put too much, and guess what, my AC wasn't working and my room was so hot. I was like, which kind of wahala be this, just because I want to rub sunscreen. Okay, at this point I was looking like a clown. And I was getting late for work. I just had to laugh at myself. I had to quickly make breakfast. I really love this toast, but my egg spilled at the side. I made coffee and I'm heading out here. Done, ready to work. So I'll just shower now. I bought some things for my New Year healthy journey yesterday, so I'll just unbox it on camera. And this vlog is just basically going to be not really a day in my life, but somewhat a morning routine and unboxing. So I had to find out, do any of you use this product? Because I really don't understand it. It says wash 3-in-1 wash. This Nivea Perfect and Radiant cleanser. It says wash, scrub and mask all in one. I just wanted a plain soap because I feel like this products for dealing with hyperpigmentation. Let me hope my mic is on. Hyperpigmentation are like strong, so I did not want to. I wanted to use a gentle cleanser, so I just felt like Nivea would be gentle, but it doesn't foam. I'm not a team using cleansers that don't foam. Like, I can't relate. There's this CeraVe cleanser that also doesn't foam. After washing my face, I feel like I've just rubbed cream on my face. Please, does anybody know about this product? And it's very unlike me, because I usually would check reviews and see how it is, but I just assume that this is just a normal basic cleanser, like it won't hurt. Oh well. So I'm trying out this Good Molecules product. I actually saw a lot of reviews online about them, like hyperpigmentation, how it works. Just said that you have to use a sunscreen, because if you're trying to deal with hyperpigmentation and you aren't using a sunscreen, you're just kind of wasting your money. There's a mirror behind me, so I'm just looking at that. Like, just wasting your money. So I'm trying it out. Please, also, if you have tried this Good Molecules toner and serum for hyperpigmentation, please let me know. My face is really dark compared to my body, and I feel that this is the exposed part. That's my face. I think my arms are even brighter than my face. I'm trying to work on that this year. I'll just wait for that to dry. Oh my god, doing your skin routine, like, it's really frustrating. Like in the morning, that rush, like you just go out of the shower, and I usually use like hot water to bath. So when you just get out of the shower and you're trying to rush, you're already late. Self, you're already late, and you're struggling to do your face routine, your skin routine, your skincare, whatever, and you're rushing and you're sweating, and the products just like having to layer them can be very hard. And sometimes I'm like, can I just skip this? But I'm trying to do better this year, right? This is the this is the coloration correcting serum. Feels like a cream, and it feels thick on the skin. But when it dries, you wouldn't even notice that there's anything on your face. Like, it dries and disappears. So that's just it. Then I'll rub my moisturizer. I'll just wait for this to dry. I'm also using this Nivea moisturizer. It says day cream, but I'm using that day and night, please. I can't stress. If you watch my video on 2022 resets, I spoke about, like, if you want to exercise this year, how to make it easy. Try to pair it up with an activity or a hobby that you enjoy, or anything that you like to do. So if you listen to a lot of music, if you listen to podcasts while exercising, you can listen to your podcast. So I got this candle newly, just to encourage me to journal more. That's like, when I'm journaling, I'll put this particular one on. I just put it on now. Like, I have not really gotten the fragrance yet. Just waiting for my skin to dry. I want to be done with my skin before I touch any other thing, because my hands are still clean. This skincare has to be as simple as possible. So the basic things I'm using for this hyperpigmentation are just the Good Molecules toner, this toner, and this serum. Those are things I'm using. So let's unbox the things I have here. So first off, I got this mat, this yoga mat. I want to be doing abs exercise. I want my abs. Okay, I think it was in my 300 level, I started working out, and I used to do sit-ups and all those abs exercises just to tone up my abdominal muscles and make it flat, because I'm not fat, and if I'm having a big belly, it doesn't make sense. So I want to work on my tummy this year, and I got this in one of my favorite colors, purple. Is it purple or lilac? Any of them? I think it's lilac. So I got this from Miniso. I got basically everything from Miniso. It was the reason why I bought it was because of the color. Actually, I don't know. I've never had a yoga mat. I don't know. This feels like it's not so wide, but it says it's is it 8 millimeters? Okay, is 183 by 61. So the width is 61 centimeters. I guess it's fine, but the length is really long. So this is what it looks like. I would also use it for my stretches. I want to start stretching to increase my flexibility. We are getting that flat tummy this year. Not really flat tummy. My tummy isn't big. I just want, like, those abdominal, like that outline. I'll put a picture somewhere. I don't know how to explain it. I don't like I want the packs, like the abs to be well defined. I just want it to be toned. I want my abdomen to be toned. So that's it. So this is the length. It's actually pretty long. Oh, it's actually long, and it's still going. It's still going. It's actually really long. I haven't finished opening it. Okay, it's actually really long. I don't know about the width, but I think we can work with this. Yeah, that's like the first thing. The second thing I bought is a sit-up assistant. That is That is, if you want to do sit-ups, like no one has to hold your legs. I know that you can actually do sit-ups without somebody holding your legs, but just to encourage myself and be happy. So how does this work? Let me try to set it up. These are like, I think these are okay. This is what is going to your. These are going to be above your legs. That's your feet. Sorry, not your legs. There's actually a difference. Okay. I also got this from Miniso. I can't remember how much actually. I can't remember how much. So I think this is going to create a suction to the wall, to the floor. So it has to be a slippery floor, like on tiles. I know it won't work on this table. It's not working. Let me try to put it on the tile. Oh yeah. So when you bring this down, pull this down, it actually creates a suction effect. That's when you pull this down, this part goes in and sucks into the floor, if that makes sense. So when you do that, it just stays there. So I'm guessing, let me look at the pack. Okay, this is in between. Let me look at the pack as a guide. I'm so bad with setting up things. I eventually get it, but I guess I'm not patient. Okay, this is it. It has gone in. So I think you can actually adjust the length of this, because there are different holes. If you bring it down more, if you bring it down, it's longer. Or no, if you keep it up, it's longer. If you bring it down, it's shorter. So okay, this goes in. No, pretty easy, not hard, easy peasy. Yeah, this is what we have. I also got this. This is the yoga resistance loop band. I don't know what I want to use it for, but it just looked fancy. But the ones that I've never owned any of these, but the ones I see online look like they're bigger. This one looks small in the pack. Okay, you can put it between your thighs and I think do lunges and squats and the rest of that. Ta-da! So I also want to unbox this perfume. So I just realized that I don't like feminine perfumes, or is it that I have not come across or used feminine perfumes that I would like? Because most feminine perfumes do not last. No, they not even last. Like, they are too mild. I like something not really harsh. I don't like oud scents. But I want something that I can perceive. I feel like they're too soft. If you know any feminine perfumes that last long, okay, not even the last long. If you know any feminine perfumes that projects well and is present, like you can feel the presence of it and is nice, please leave it in the comment section. I'll appreciate that. So I got this, my brother got this Paco Rabanne. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. Phantom. It actually really smells good. And this was the only one in the store. Yesterday we were so tired, I didn't even bother vlogging. We got there like while they were closing. This was the last one in the store and he also wanted it. So they said they're going to restock today. So let's just unbox it. I already perceived it yesterday. I really liked it. But yesterday when we went there, I was perceiving a lot of things and I feel like it's still going to be new. I already know what it smells like or what the scent is like. But I had perceived a lot of things yesterday, so the fragrance is really nice actually, but I don't like the bottle. I feel like the bottle is weird. It comes in the shape of a robot. It's not the best for me, but the bottle is like a robot and I don't like the color. It's not really giving. The bottle is not really my thing, but the smell is really good. When I read about this perfume, the reviews were really good. The projection, They said it lasted long, and even when we went to the store, the lady at the store recommended this, and like among the ones that we saw there, okay, I saw something else I liked, but what I wanted to get the Marc Jacobs, but they didn't have that. So I just went with this. Let me spray it. It's actually nice. If you've enjoyed this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. It goes a really long way if you like my videos, because YouTube recommends it to other people and it does better, and like I get to be seen more on the app. So please leave a thumbs up, leave your comments, subscribe to my channel if it's the first time you're seeing this face. Bye.